have to discipline yourself and try as much as you possibly can for your words, your thoughts, your feelings, your actions to be aligned with the desired goal. So when we talk about being delusional and acting as if, living in the end, it means all that I just said, that you align everything as if your goal was already yours. And that's what it means to live in the end, to be delusional, to be aligned, to be congruent. It all works. It's different ways of saying the same thing. Pretty much acting as if and living in the end, which are the easier way to put it. Try it out for yourself. It's funny because a lot of people don't want to believe they hear the law of attraction and they don't want to hear anything else, right? Because they think it's a bunch of bullshit. But when it comes to law of attraction, it's very practical. Truly, if you do not run your subconscious mind, if you do not choose wisely what you feed your mind with, the world will feed other stuff to your mind. Your parents, your brothers, your siblings, your sisters, your friends, your circumstances and events. If you do not choose deliberately what you feed your subconscious mind, people, deliberately or not, will feed something else, events as well and circumstances as well. So this is not a joke, this is no exaggeration. You have to take control and be the master, the creator of what is happening in your subconscious mind. Self-depreciation is cool, and not taking oneself too seriously is cool as well, but doing it over and over does not work in your favor. It imprints your subconscious mind with limiting beliefs that you have not seen coming because you thought that joking about it would not have any effect. If you want to do the opposite. Instead of joking about yourself negatively, joke about yourself positively in a very exaggerated way, the way someone like Kevin Hart would do. So beware of your jokes, even when it comes to yourself. You need the right attitude towards yourself. If you do not see yourself, or at least see the possibility of you succeeding, your actions will be kind of useless. Now it can work every now and then if you take a lot of them and work hard. I'm not saying can't work, but the best way to go about it is have this faith in yourself and the belief that you can achieve and you can have what you want as a foundation, because the rest will be easier. It will be much simpler to navigate those rough water when they come, because you know that you can withstand it, because you know and believe that you are good enough for this. I believe you can achieve a lot of things without even being glad to be yourself or loving yourself, for lack of a better term. But it is the best course of action to actually being glad to be yourself, because when you're glad to yourself, not only you can achieve more, but you can also achieve what really matters for you. Because maybe you don't love yourself and you're not glad to yourself. You want a lot of things just to impress others or to feel adequate and good enough. Whereas when you feel good enough and happier, you can actually prioritize what is the most important, so you can achieve what is really, really important for you. So no matter what, being glad to be yourself, loving yourself, always work to your advantage.